Hey folks, Paul Meeks here for Worthington Products with a great announcement. We are so happy to be sponsoring the Public Safety Around Dams workshop conducted on May 8th in Niagara Falls, Ontario. What a great time to be in Niagara Falls, Ontario, by the way. It's at the Ontario Water Power Association's Power of Water Conference. This is the Canadian Dam Association Public Safety Around Dams workshop, so you know it's good. It's a full one-day workshop. You're going to learn about public safety risk assessment. You're going to learn about things like what is proper signage, where to use your signs, how to use your signs, what lettering. If you need, I'm standing in our studio room and you see all these public safety barriers that would go upstream and in the head pond and in the tail race in spillways of power plants. You're going to learn about when the proper time is to use those. And most importantly, you're going to learn about public safety assessments, how to conduct one and how to evaluate the results and then implement your plan. We're going to be there. I hope you're there. If you have anything to do with public safety, with risk assessment, if you're a dam manager, this is a place you should be. And you know what? You're not going to fall asleep, because I'm going to bring my espresso machine and we're going to keep you wired to the hilt during this conference. So one final thing, if you register for this workshop, you're going to get a 20% off the registration fee for the Power of Water Conference too. You can't lose on this. We'll see you on May 8th in Niagara Falls at the Public Safety Workshop. Thank you so much.